In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Nasdaq 100 index, or you can also call it as US 100 index. And my dear friends, this index is currently on a verge of breakdown, and along with that there are multiple negative factors which has already been materialized, and that would allow us to short this index, and we can initiate a good healthy profit by riding the stock on the downside. We can initiate a short sell position in US 100 index once that important resistance level get break on closing basis. My dear friends, if we'll make a closer look over here, this was in bottom where the index had given a massive upside move in the form of upward sloping parallel channel, and as long as the index was trading over to this upward sloping parallel channel, it got triggered with back to back higher highs. If you'll see over here, the first higher rise registered here, the second higher rise over here, and the third higher rise here. But as soon as this upward sloping parallel channel got triggered on the downside, first time its higher highs shifted to lower lows. And this is an area where we got a two major negative signal. This was an point where the game started to change. The two major negative signal will be, the first one is upward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the downside. So the moment this channel get break on the downside, the bustling rally which was started from this point got an immediate rejection. And secondly, the second major negative signal is higher highs shifted to lower lows. And whenever this sequence, whenever the higher highs get change into the lower lows, we take that as a confirmation that stock has, the index has completed the index has completed the upside cycle, and now it's officially under corrections. And very first thing we have to do is stop buying at this point. It will be a big trap if you are on the buy side. And my dear friends, now we will discuss the diversion. So if you put the RSI or MACD, you will be surprised to know that even the diversion is showing the negative diversion over here. If you'll see over here, the price action higher peaks is it's back to back on the upper side, but the same thing on the RSI side is missing out. And this is an area where the moment it will get break, we will see a deep downside move. And finally, the final and the most important signal, and that will be an chart pattern. If you'll see over here, you will be able to identify there is a rounding top. We call this pattern, chart pattern, as a rounding top pattern, and this pattern is about to break. We have to wait for a neckline to get, we have to wait for a neckline to get break below this, both the neckline, this 24,000 to $60. Once the index breaks 24,000 to $60, then there will be a deep downside move which will take the index directly to the target of 23,200, straight $1,000 down. And the second target will be 22,960. So there will be 1,000 to 200, 1,000 to 1,200 pips you will get on the downside if you play smartly. But don't do blind trading. Don't just go away and hit the short sell. Don't do like that. You have to wait for a confirmation for a close below this both neckline. You have to wait for both this neckline to get break on the closing basis, and then you will see the next move downside, 1,000 pips downside, my dear friends. And this is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really like our analysis, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more such videos.